Hi Sagittarians, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute and Finite Healing. And a very happy new year to everyone. So this time we are trying something different for us actually. Uh, I'm this time giving a full year reading. Alright, for your zodiac sign, a full year reading. So I'll be picking 12 cards over here so that each and every month trailer I will be telling you the major event of that month. So I always say that look at tarot cards like a GPS system. You know, the road is clear, or you can take a U-turn, or it's a blockage and take another route. So use this guidance or a reading. I never say prediction as a proper GPS system. But the choice is yours, always. We are human, so we have free will of choice. Amazing cards. Wow. For Sagittarians, amazing cards. Very nice. January itself starts with a good harmony, good relation. Some relation will work for you amazingly in January. You will get a proposal, or if you are in an existing relation, that relation will go ahead towards the commitment level. I'm so happy, right? Again, the next card shows real commitment because it's a settlement card. So by February, you'll be completely settled in that relation. You'll be exactly knowing what to expect from the relation. And you might have also thought of your maybe marriage plans, or your plans ahead with this person. Oh wow, I'm so happy. Wow, the year start is going to be amazing for Sagittarians. Even with March, it is stardom. You might get some award, reward, acclaim, something, some stardom coming your way in March for the Sagittarians. Wow, I love this card. I had this card for my last month, and actually my social media, my spiritual mela, everything went so amazing that I really felt like a celebrity. Yeah, this is coming your way. All right, but after stardom, you might face something like this only if you do not cleanse yourself. So cleansing rituals are also there on my YouTube channel. So right now you're on my YouTube channel. If you go in the playlist also, you will get a lot of chakra elevating meditation, vastu cleansing meditation, cleansing rituals. So please do that, because or at least use something like this, a selenite. Okay, so you can just say cleanse, like if you're doing for yourself, cleanse, because after you get this stardom, your psychic body will take a lot of energies, and you might feel a little drained, and you will have to deal with jealousy, strokes, and envies and everything. All right, and that's just for month of April. But if you do not cleanse yourself, again, May will also go in a similar way. May might also go in a little, I don't say depression, but a low phase where you will just feel like I want to just leave everything and go away. But please don't do that, because your relation is really going to work this year. It's amazing. Again, June shows stardom and success. Again, you're going to shine a lot this year. Absolutely amazing cards, Sagittarians. I've done till Scorpios, but these are the most amazing cards that I'm seeing. Right? New money coming up in July. A new stream of income coming up in July, and great help coming up in August. Some female or a feminine energy will help you in the age group of 40 to 60. Yes, spiritual help. You will get a lot of spiritual help in human form. You will meet up the perfect counselor, the perfect advice giver. Wow, August. September, thoda break period, just a little lull period. It's especially relating to work, not about relation. Your relationship is amazing. So just a little work, thoda recession, thoda calm, little less of work in September. October again you wake up and you start searching your work, and in November you get unexpected changes. Lot of unexpected changes. Though when I say unexpected changes, I do not mean good changes. I just mean, even if there are expected changes, I would have said I don't know if they're good or bad. And expected changes also, I don't know if they're unexpected changes also, I do not know if they're good or bad. But I still feel that this whole year you should look out for your relation more than work. But still you have stardom, you have success, you have everything, and you can take a break. You can afford to take a break. I mean, what else do you want? Um, December is also good. December also, again, you will get help from an elderly person who's very spiritual and who would be masculine in energy. So you're getting help from feminine energy people also and masculine energy people also. I am so glad with my Sagittarian friends this time. Lovely. All right, I hope it really helped you. Don't forget to cleanse yourself. Take salt water bath. Um, or we have cleansing sprays also. I love doing this. Ah, amazing. So yes, you can contact us for that, or we could also do some cleansing rituals for you all. Yeah, totally. I hope you really liked it, and see you soon. Have a very, very, very amazing year ahead. Bye bye.